Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up row-level security in Power BI. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to restrict data access for different users, ensuring that each person only sees the information they're authorized to view. Let's start by opening your Power BI desktop application. Once you've got it up and running, you'll need to navigate to the modeling options. Look at the top of your screen and click on modeling. This tab contains all the tools you'll need to control how your data behaves and who can access it. After clicking on modeling, you'll see several options available in the ribbon. Look for security in the toolbar, and just above it, you'll find an option that says manage roles. Go ahead and click on manage roles. This is where the magic happens, as it opens up the interface that allows you to create and configure security rules for your data model. Now you'll see a new window appear with a section labeled Roles. This is where you'll define who can see what. Click on New under the Roles section. This action creates a fresh security role that you can customize according to your specific requirements. Next, you need to select a table where you want to apply this security rule. Think about which dataset contains the sensitive information you want to protect. Click on the table that needs the restriction. This tells Power BI exactly where to apply your filtering rules. Once you've selected your table, look over to the section labeled Rules and click on New. This is where you'll define the actual condition that determines what data gets filtered. It's the heart of your row-level security setup. Now it's time to insert a column that will serve as your filter. For example, let's say you want to filter by country. Type in the column name, in this case country. This column will be the basis for determining which rows each user can access. After inserting your column, you need to set the condition. Make sure it's set to equals. This tells Power BI that you want an exact match for the value you're about to specify. Then input a value that corresponds to your filtering needs. For example, type in Canada. This means that when this role is applied, users will only see rows where the country column equals Canada. It's a powerful way to segment your data based on geography or any other criteria. Once you've configured everything, click Save. This finalizes your security role and makes it ready to use. Power BI will now remember these settings and apply them whenever this role is activated. Now let's test if it's working properly. At the top of the screen, right beside Manage Roles, you'll see an option called View As. Click on View As. This feature allows you to preview how your data appears when filtered through specific security roles. Then click on the role we just created. You'll immediately see your data filtered according to the rules you set up. This is exactly how users assigned to this role will experience the report. And that's it. You've successfully configured row-level security in Power BI, ensuring your data is protected and users only see what they're supposed to see. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.